Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about Natgas. Natgas is currently still in this decline. There's no confirmation for a low in place and it's getting pretty boring, pretty protracted. We're going to zoom in here in a minute, but the overall idea on the longer term chart is that the rally into the 2005 highs, 2006, was a 2005 was a wave one. Then we've seen an A, B, C structure, and we could really be close to a long-term low, which is pretty exciting. So I'm watching for that. We're probably not quite there yet, but Natgas is testing our patience. So looking at the shorter time frame, the idea is that we are in this fifth wave of the C wave of wave two, and we're still dealing here with a possible 5-wave pattern to the downside. Wave one, wave two, wave three, could get one more low, then 4, 5, but that's getting really protracted. It looks more and more as if the larger degree fourth wave is already unfolding. So let's just change that, because I think this is what makes most sense right now. With the reaction here to our micro support area, it does make sense that the wave 3 already finished. Anything else is looking out of proportion. Quick reminder that we're dealing here likely with an ending diagonal to the downside. So the wave 1 can be interpreted as an A, B, C structure, the wave 2 as well. The wave 3 as an A, B, C. The wave 4 as an A, B, C. And to be fair, I can now change the color to white, because now we keep it all under one scenario. Previously it was like, okay, do we get one more low as shown now, or 2 more lows? And let's just, I think for now I'm gonna go with, we are moving here in this larger degree fourth wave. It's honestly, it's just like slow motion. A, B, C. The C wave could be unfolding right now of that wave 4. The B wave bottomed here in the orange support region. We've got something that looks a bit like a 1-2 setup. The third wave here to the upside. 1 second. Third wave to the upside in wave C of 4 could be unfolding right now. Let's just determine targets again. Quick refresher, quick reminder. First of all, for a C wave of wave 4, we're normally looking for the 100% extension level. That's $2.11. So we should really get there. In the C wave itself, we have obviously 5 waves, and it looks as if the third wave might be unfolding right now. The third wave of the C wave. So if we then talk about, okay, this was wave 1, this wave was wave 2. The 1.236 extension is the minimum target I would have. That's the $2.01 level, then a wave 4 pullback, and a wave 5. And it should take us to, possibly around about the 1.618 extension, around $2.12, $2.10. So there's an area of confluence that I would certainly try to pay some attention to. And from here, I mean, not yet, but ideally we fill in the 5-wave pattern. We would then expect a move to the downside in wave 5. And of course it could break earlier. In that case, a break below the wave 2 low at $1.68 would be an early indication, followed by a break below the $1.59 level. Now, someone asked me in the last video, okay, if it now rallies and the low is already in, would it be impossible to count that with Elliott wave? No. I mean, anything is possible. There is a count I could show you, I could find, to call the low in place, even if it's just with a truncation. There are possibilities, but it's unlikely, because we have 3 waves down only into this low, and also 3 waves up. I mean, there is substantially nothing that would suggest the low is in. It could happen, or it could even turn into a much more extended, structure. But I can only analyze what I see, and I don't see any signal that a low is in. With 3 waves up, it can always turn into a leading diagonal, but there is nothing at this stage that would suggest or confirm that. So that's my update about Natgas. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in daily updates about the S&P 500, as well as regular updates about stocks, then feel free to check out our stocks and S&P 500 service. You'll find the link in the description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.